balcony, bedroom balcony. So this is nice balcony. In the morning, coffee. And then look, right from there you can see gradient. In America that's kind of nice, it's like flat. On the mountain side because the only thing that they took is forest. And it was actually quite steep, so you don't use it. And it was looking eastern side. But that eastern side doesn't have that coast.
This is medium size CEO Sarah from
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, this is Patricia. Yeah, from
Nice to meet you.
Okay, that's this is李主席，这是徐部长客气的。
Great. That's great.
Yeah.
Let's just follow.
Yeah. Just English is okay. Just English.
Yeah.
Okay. Please. Okay.
Don't worry about that. It's easy. I'm not really
He's one of the founder for the Wuxi aspect. The Wuxi Biologics is one of the major affiliates of the Wuxi aspect. So this is, you can see, is the base and headquarters of Wuxi Biologics. Then for this one, you can see we have three major affiliates. We sort of research, development, and manufacturing.
In the 1982, the first joint venture company is the one we stated, and the one this afternoon we're going to visit this company. And in 1995, we have Pfizer coming as the world top 500 company, and then till from 2005, 2008, there's a set up this outsourcing service park. And it's in the Wuxi is the first park, and it's been called as ENRICH Healthcare Park. And from 2008 to 2018, for the last 10 years, the park has grew up very quickly.
国际健康旅游岛的建设正在创造科技与自然融合的新奇迹，至美的景色与顶尖的智慧交融。 必将定义生命和健康的新未来。马山国际健康旅游岛总规划面积20平方公里，依托无锡太湖国家旅游度假区优质的人文旅游资源和马山较为完善的生物医药产业，将吸引和聚集世界顶级研发人员和高端医疗管理团队。 打造其新有名康德生物医药研发开放式平台，为国内外大型生物医药企业和研发人员提供一站式研发支持、技术指导、产品孵化，打造成为国际著名的生物医药创新产业集群。高端的智能医疗器械制造基地，以基因技术和数字化智能医疗为主体，以智能化、绿色化、服务化、高端化为发展方向，大力开发人工智能医学影像、病理诊断设备。 及软件的制造，成为高端医疗器械制造基地。顶尖的国际精准医疗临床基地，依托国内外著名医疗机构联合。
包括我们去的时候，这些人老外我是吧。我当时是第二个，然后我当时。
International institutions like the Peking University and Chinese Academy of Science, also Roslin Institute, and also the Scottish Centre of Regenerative Medicine. Well, this is a signing ceremony in Edinburgh University here, and we see the former president of Peking University, Dr. Xu Zhihong, and also our chairman, Dr. Xu here. Yeah, and this is the foundation ceremony in December of 2009 in this life science park. Our first commercialized program is the stem cell bank here. With 10 years development, Boyalife has become an international life science company with about 30 wholly owned subsidiaries and athletes around the world. So here you can see our R&D centers locating in the map here. Gene bank to preserve endangered species for biodiversity. And also, there locate our world's first commercial animal cloning factory, which already delivered about 1,400 cloned sniffer dogs and already put into use in the Seoul airport in South Korea here. So our R&D center about Boyagenomics locates in Tianjin and Seoul of Korea, and also in Weihai of Shandong province. For the third part of our business is Boya Pharmaceutical, mainly located in Beijing at Peking University, as Boyalife and Peking University together co-sponsored an institute for translational medicine. Now there are research on the myocardial drugs. Yeah. And our scientific team at Peking University has won the 2012 National Award for the most innovative scientific teams. Only 4 every year to get the honor. Yeah.
What happens in Guangzhou?
Guangzhou is also part of our stem cell technology for cell therapy. There we have a kind of disease called thalassemia. So many local people there has suffered a lot from this kind of disease. So they try to treat with them with the hematopoietic stem cells. Yeah, on research on that. Guangzhou and also Nanning is a local disease. We can say that. Yeah.
And in San Francisco?
Here, that's our we acquired a company, a Nasdaq listed company in San Francisco, mainly developed the automatic self-processing devices. Yeah, on that. I will tell you more when we are